Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be making some fish. So this is specifically flounder fillets that I bought at the supermarket, and it comes in a pack. They come individually wrapped, and I think it was 12 to a bag. Okay, so I seasoned them already with garlic, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and other seasonings. But you season yours the way that you like. Also, I'm gonna first, I was thinking of just putting everything together in a foil pack, then putting it in the oven and let it bake and steam that way. But then I said, no, I wanted to get as much flavor as possible, although it'll be flavorful that way. But I want to saute first some of the vegetables first here for a little bit. And then I want to put the fish on top of it. Although it would have been nice to sear the fish a little bit in some olive oil, which is what I have here. That would have been nice too. And I think I could have used a bigger pot, but that's okay. A bigger pan. Alright, so then I'm going to I'm still going to put it in the oven to finish cooking it, but I just wanted to get it started here. Alright, so I'm going to take out one fillet. They're still a little frozen, they're sticking to each other. Okay, here's one. Just wanted to cook a little bit with the vegetables. Let me put two at a time because I've got four in here. Let me just wash my hands a little. So this is great if you want to make something for Sunday. Well, today is Sunday. Sunday dinner, Sunday lunch. Even yesterday, this would have been nice on a Saturday. Just in general for the weekend. You want to have something nice and warm. You know, especially now that it's so cold outside. Fish, to me, comes to mind. You also could have fried this, which I might do later in the week because I have some left. So I might also fry it. Okay, so I'm just going to let it stay there for a little bit. So again, I have here some chopped up celery. Let me make sure that you guys are on the screen. Right, I've got some chopped up celery, garlic, onion, green pepper, red pepper. I added sazon and again my seasonings. And also, I wanted to add some potatoes to this, which I still think I'm going to do. I'm going to slice them real thin and add it to this to make sort of a little stew. I think that would be nice. Right, and then I'm going to turn this over. Okay, and cooking it like this together is great because all the vegetable flavor will be infused into the fish, which is perfect. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, so we finished with this, the rest of the fish. I'm going to put it in a baking pan. Okay, then I'm also going to add 3 small potatoes that I sliced up thin. And I just realized that I forgot a very important seasoning that I really do like. I added also a little bit of salt. Not a lot, but I think I might have to add a little bit more. But not too much because there's a lot of salt in the seasoning that I'm going to add now. And that's the Old Bay seasoning. Alright, the fish is falling apart already. got some Old Bay right here. I just added some. Okay, stir that up. And this isn't really so hard. This is just a matter of marinating your fish for a little bit. Just let it sit for a few minutes in some vinegar and seasonings. Cutting up some veggies. Okay, stir frying them a little bit. Cooking your fish in it a little. Adding your seasonings, and that's it. All right, now I'm gonna cover this with some foil. It's gonna go in the oven. About 375 for about half an hour. 20 minutes, half an hour. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let me open this back up because I wanted it to create a little bit of a stew. So I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. Let me see how much. Okay, there is a lot of liquid in there. Okay. All right, just a little bit more. Also, I want to add the rest of the veggies that I cut up. Okay, so because they're just going to go to waste if I don't use them, so I'm going to just put them in here. All right, there you go. Let's bring this back down. Okay. And again, we're going to finish this off in the oven, about 375 to 400 for half an hour. Okay, so it shouldn't take that long because the fish is already pre-cooked. We already pre-cooked it a little. All right, guys, and we'll be back when that's done. Okay, so the potatoes should be cooked by now in the fish stew. I'm so happy we got to make this baked fish stew because I was really craving this. Ooh, this looks really good. Wow. Okay, the fish may be overdone because it's coming apart, but I bet you it tastes good. Alright, I'm going to taste this. Potatoes should, yeah, they're done. Alright, just going to put a little bit in here. And it made just enough broth, because I like to have a little bit of broth whenever I'm making a little bit of a fish stew. Seafood stew. Last week I made a shrimp stew. It was delicious. Okay, guys, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna taste it. It smells heavenly. Taste the potato first. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that's really good. Let me taste the fish. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, oh, that's delicious. I hope you guys give this a try and you make this at home. Let me know how it comes out. Thank you. Bye-bye.